This 3D printed product made 80 grand in a single month. How do I know it? Well, if you check this screen, and here you can see it 10k plus bought in a past month. So if you do a calculation, it's 80 grand in a single month, and also it's an Amazon's choice. So which means that this dragon egg with the dragon inside is making the seller 80 grand in a single month. But the question is, will this product sell on March or June or July? The question is probably not. No, and the reason is because it's really a Easter. We just had an Easter's, and people are just buying to put them in the baskets and hide around the house for the kids, or use it as a decoration item inside the house while the Easters are happening. And if you take a look inside the Etsy, we can see that these Easter egg and the dragon inside listings are bestsellers. Let me zoom out a little bit. This one is bestseller, this one is bestseller. A lot of listings that are completely the same, But the problem with this stuff is that these sellers are essentially playing a short time game. Because if you look at the news, you see that Etsy has updated its rules for the made by a seller category, stating that any item made with a computerized tool such as 3D printer, laser cutter, CNC machine, or Cricut must be based off the seller's original design. This means sellers will no longer be able to use licensed designs from third-party artists and designers, even they have been modified. Which basically means you have to use your own designs, you have to use your own 3D software, and you have to do the modeling yourself or outsource it. Otherwise, your shop will get cracked down by Etsy, And if you have heard or not, I have generated over $130,000 in revenue on my own store selling digital products. But this time I'm selling and doing it all over again with the 3D printed products. And yeah, what I do is on this channel I document everything step by step over the shoulder, what I do to start another Etsy store and make 10 grand a month in a year's time. So, and if you want to see inside my Etsy store, you can go on my website. It's davidsola.com/3D printing Etsy store, or just use davidsola.com and it's gonna lead to this page, or just look below this video in the comment section. You're gonna see the link, click on it, and it's gonna take to this page. You can check the video I recorded where I show all the products I'm selling, all the sales, all the ads I'm running, how much money I'm spending, what are the returns on ad spend. Go ahead and check it out if 3D printing is something you're interested in. And also on my website I have a 3D print profit calculator for Etsy sellers. You can perfectly know what's your net profit after the expenses, filaments, electricity, all the listing fees, and so on. And also this calculator gives you the product profit analysis. Based on your numbers, it tells you if the product is worth selling or not. So let's get back to the dragon eggs and understand what you can learn from it. If you know this articulated dragon, I think somebody was really smart, because at the beginning the dragon was sold as a separate item, and somebody came up with an idea for the Easters to put it inside the egg. So what you can learn, even though this is a product that's really meant for the Easters, what you can learn from it is that you can always think how you can package something differently, and whoever was the original ideas author made a killing doing it. And you can see it easily on Amazon, still making 10k sales a month, doing 80k a month. Like, it's insanity. And these sellers as well on Etsy, they made less than that. I guess this Amazon seller made a lot more than the Etsy sellers, because I can be sure about that. I'm not gonna look into it, but I'm 99% sure that's the case. So yeah, think about it as, you can study these listings and understand what you can learn from this exact product, how you could use this idea for totally new idea, right? Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you're interested in seeing my Etsy store and then seeing the products that I'm selling, what ads I'm running, just head to my website and check the video, check the tools I have created. I have a roadmap that I'm following. My goal is 10k a month. You can see all the steps that I'm taking. I'm currently right here in step 3. I'm growing my Etsy store to 20 plus products. That's where I'm at right now. And also, you can join the community. Connect with other 3D print sellers following the same journey. We share wins. You can ask any question to me. I will personally answer you. Even if you need the answer in a video format, I can record my slicer or 3D software. Just ask inside the community. I'll answer it. And yeah, thank you for watching. And I also have more videos on this channel. You can easily subscribe. And yeah, see you inside the community maybe. Cheers.